In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free connects on Upwork. So let's get started. Here you can see I have 0 connects. Then you can see I will get 30 connects for free. So let's see how to get free connects. To get your free connects, you have to click on buy connects option. Then simply scroll down and you can see an option that name is promo code. It's when you need a promo code to get free connects. For promo code, you have to go to new Chrome browser or new tab and then search Upwork promo code. Then here you can see Upwork occasionally shares promo code for membership upgrades like Freelancer Plus, Agency Plus, and for specific offer like discount on, and Upwork will give you the promo code by your emails. So there is no chance to get free connects by using any promo codes from different types of website. That's fake. So don't waste your time. Just buy connects and apply for job and get your first job. Best of luck.